There's a reason the Fountaine Pajot Astrea 42 keeps showing up at the top of many buyers' shortlists. It's not the smallest entry-level catamaran, yet it remains very manageable, and this Astrea 42 model consistently delivers what cruisers need. Stay until the end, and you'll see what makes Nauti Mollie an outstanding value. Before we even step aboard, I want to point out that this is the 4-cabin, 4-head layout. For a 42-foot catamaran, this is arguably the optimal configuration. Whether you're running charters, sailing with another couple, or prioritize privacy between crew and guests, we'll get into the details, and I'll share why the Maestro layout is overrated. But hold that thought. Let's start on deck. The helm station sits elevated, giving you a clean sightline forward over the cabin top. You've got a Garmin touchscreen multifunctional display, depth, speed, GPS chart plotter, autopilot, and VHF. Running the boat short-handed, you'll find the layout of the helm supports it, and an electric winch makes the job even easier. The coach roof has a proper sun lounging area, which sounds like a small thing until you've anchored somewhere warm looking for a comfortable spot to lay out. Down into the cockpit, this is a liveaboard and entertaining space simultaneously. Wide and well protected, there is also a plancha grille. As you step inside the salon, you'll appreciate the door between the cockpit and the galley is wide. It will make serving food and drinks outside that much easier. The salon itself is bright and open. The panoramic windows are large and the layout doesn't feel cramped. The nav station and breaker panel are easily accessible. The Fountaine Pajot 42 features a proper galley. It's U-shaped, which gives you counter space that is usable underway. You've got an isotherm front-loading refrigerator freezer, a separate isotherm dual-drawer refrigerator freezer, an airlux oven, and a 3-burner propane stove. If you're provisioning for long passage, you'll find the storage is more than appropriate. Let's check out the accommodations. There are 4 private cabins with ensuite heads, as noted earlier. And because the cabins are of equal size, no space is wasted down here. Unlike the Maestro layout, where the open space means you sacrifice precious storage capacity. Each head is fitted with a VacuFlush electric toilet, a sink, and shower. All the cabins are equipped with LED lighting throughout, 12-volt fans and USB charging, and offer a good amount of storage with plenty of ventilation. And here's something that genuinely separates this boat from most in its class at this price point. 6 air conditioning units total, 4 Dometic units in the cabin, plus 2 units serving the salon. In a warm anchorage, this is not a minor detail. Everyone will sleep comfortably in the tropics. Nauti Mollie is powered with twin Volvo Penta D2 diesel engines. These are workhorses, reliable, well-supported globally, and with spare parts readily accessible. The Cummins Onan 11.5 kilowatt generator will easily power your air conditioning, charging, and electronics. Finally, the Victron inverter charger rounds out the electrical system, managing your house bank cleanly. Nauti Mollie is truly ready to sail. She offers a very capable charter layout and is fully equipped from systems to cooking and navigation. If you're in the market for a catamaran in this class, you will want to see Nauti Mollie in person. You'll find the full listing and contact details in the description below, and be sure to subscribe for more video walkthroughs with Current Yachts. My name is Amanda Haley with Current Yachts. I look forward to seeing you aboard Nauti Mollie. Fair winds!